When it comes to capturing, there are a few different ways you can capture inside of Spaceduck. You can capture straight from your computer by dragging and dropping something here, of which then it would process it. You can capture by using a call to action, either from top over here. We also have the same thing here, and we also have it here. This is where you could also create your documents and boards, which we'll get to those in a different video, or you could use our browser extension. Using the browser extension, there are a couple of different features that you could utilize to capture the content that you need. So first, you should open the browser extension. Depending on the type of the page, we treat different URLs accordingly. So for example, this is an article. I'm just going to click bookmark. You can choose where you want to save this, whether it's within a space or just inside your drafts. I'm going to capture it inside my drafts, and I'm going to click on bookmark. Here's a YouTube video. Going to do the same thing. If there's a code that you like, you can highlight that and add that to Spaceduck. If it's just some highlighted information within the blog or anything else that you like, you can save that to Spaceduck. You can capture Wikipedia pages by just bookmarking them. You can capture podcasts by just bookmarking them. If there are images that you like, you can right-click and save those to Spaceduck. Same with videos. I'm going to save this one to Spaceduck. Same with IMDb and Rotten Tomato links. Going to bookmark this. Social media, same thing. I can bookmark these. And this. If it's a PDF page, the extension is smart enough to know that this is a content that you should save and not bookmark. So you can save this to Spaceduck like this. Or if you want more control over your captures, what you could do is to use the image capture tool instead of a bookmark tool. So I can capture the visible area, which includes this entire area here. I can capture the full page. I can capture a specific area, so a selected area, like this. Or I could capture and comment on specific areas. Great. Once I do that, let me show you a few different useful tools in here. You can track the upload progress of all of your captures. The stuff that's still getting processed will show up over here. And then once they're done, you can see the checkbox and then they will disappear. If you hit any issues, you could just clear the content and try again. That's for that. You could select a different workspace from here too. And as mentioned before, you can actually select a different area to capture into. The other stuff is that you can actually capture things with shortcuts. So for example, option B bookmarks things, option V, option S, option F do these things accordingly as well. I believe on Windows, these are Alt. Now we are going to go to Spaceduck. You can see that everything that I've captured is displaying over here in one way or another. So my GIF is a GIF. My YouTube video is an actual video. You might have seen this before, but you can actually summarize the video like this. You could also just play and watch the video.
As winter fades.
My quotes are saved as quotes. My highlights are as highlights. My articles provide a reading mode for me. Again, I can summarize this too. Here's the Wikipedia page. I can actually see the live page from here through the iframe. The film saved as a film. The podcast I can play straight from here. The image is saved as an image. Social media, the other social media, I can play it straight inside here, or I could actually just go to the original link. The other images are also over here. So this is my captured content. This is my full page capture. And this is the capture that I had that I left some comments on it. So if I come over here on the comments, I can see my comments appearing over here. On top of everything else that you saw, every single thing is automatically titled, automatically tagged. I can add my own custom tags to it if I need to. For images, colors are extracted, and it tells you where the item is saved. It tells you when it was created. It tells you how much storage is getting used by this item. All this content that I upload or capture as well can be downloaded as the original source. Let me show you something else quickly as well. Because of how things are captured, I could search for things semantically. like this. It also shows other related items that I've collected in the past. I can search inside of content, instead of images, PDFs, or anything else. So for example, I could go add text and search for radically better, which is the text inside here. I can also search inside of PDF by doing something like, again, add text, which is an OCR search. Type in the bit that I remember, and it brings up the appropriate PDF. Going to close this, going to close this. You could do almost all of these things as well via the mobile app. All right, that's it for capturing. See you guys in the next one.